So Claude just introduced Claude Design, probably something similar to Canva or Lovable or all of them.
Command AI.
In order to access it, you just go to Claude.ai from the web interface. You go to the design tab. This is the new thing here. You see you can do prototypes with it. Interesting that they are calling it prototype, high fidelity, low fidelity wireframe. So I guess this is if you want to try a website and see like your content, if it's fitting. You can do a slide deck. We'll try all of these. You can start from a template or other. I don't know what other is. Here you see the designs, but also interestingly, we have these examples. These are things people have built. We'll show you these as well. And you have this button to use the prompts. So that's an interesting choice. You're not copying whatever there is here. You're just copying the prompt to start with it. So there are some really interesting things about it. So what I did here, this is like our YouTube's, it's not exactly a design system, but we have this. I made this as a skill. I wanted to export this as a skill. Now I put this in a new Figma file. I went to the design system and created a new design system. And in that tab, I uploaded that Figma file. So not an image, the entire Figma file, I uploaded it. And then it created these files, which I guess now it's asking us to go through them. Claude is still working, but you can start giving feedback on the work so far. I like that. That's very thoughtful. That's what I do to my designer. I can say, well, this needs work. Image not loading, right? Not loading, something like this. Okay, so interesting. I would go, I guess, through each one of these brand files to give it feedback. Oh, so this one is interesting. If you look, we don't have a button. So it's taking what we have and creating buttons based on it. The highlights. I like this. Oh, I like this. There is some animation. Some animation going on. Interesting. So this is pretty good. And this is much more extensive than what I gave it to. Oh, even spacing. That's really good. Even the text. Nice.
Can you upload our font? Have you got that?
It's doing its thing.
See what it does. Because obviously a lot of
okay.
people are going to want to upload their fonts, right?
Yeah.
Kind of key. What's your usage like? What's happening with your usage?
Claude Design is separate.
Oh, look.
Claude Design is separate. I didn't see it. Okay.
No.
Interesting. So
nice.
Probably
for the time being, you know.
Maybe.
Probably for the time. They'll probably bulk it all in. But yeah, anyway, it's separate for now.
It is the same models, but anyway, they are treating it separately.
Well, it's not really, because you don't know what model it's using. I'm guessing it's...
No, you can change it.
Oh, you can. Okay, fine.
Yeah, you can change it. So while that is working, what we can do, we can look at a few examples. So this one, I just pressed use this prompt, which, by the way, if you do, you just get to this place and then you can send it away. See, here we have this button where we can do tweaks, but we can also do it from here. Somehow they're adding UI on top, so that's very interesting. But the most interesting part is this edit button. If we click it, now we can go and edit elements on the page. You see, I couldn't do this because I think this is either a part of the canvas or under it or something like this, but these are over it, and we can go here and literally change the colors. So this is a full-on editor. It's like RIP every editor out there. It's not as nice as, you know, Webflow UI, obviously, but it is something. If you want to play with something specific, that's really nice what they have added. This is what we've seen in Cursor, but now here it's all included, all in one place. And that's not all. You can also draw. So you can do something like this, and you can have this as a comment that will be sent to your AI. You can also do, let's discard this, you can do comment, and that comment can be sent as a comment for my teammates or sent to Claude to do something with it. So also pretty nice to see. And here's another example where you can see that this tweaks panel, we can turn it on and off, and obviously we can play with these things. We can export it as a zip, which we just did, and then what you get is literally an HTML file. You can do PDF, PowerPoint, Canva. You can also send it to Claude Code to continue working on it. That one is done. What I want to do is I named a project. I called it Cmd+AI website. And then here we can say, create a website based on our design system for our YouTube show called Cmd+AI show.
I'm looking at the top there. You've got start with context, and it's got design system. Oh, okay. You can add multiple, and then you can select the design system. And now this is added as context to your prompt. But if you add multiple,
we have skills. Make tweakable is a skill. So front end design. Let's use that.
Yeah.
Yes, and you see these as tags. So front end design, Cmd+AI design system, hi-fi design, interactive prototype. So cool. Send it away. All right, so it asked us a few questions, well, a lot of questions about how it should be. So it's going to be for our next live streams. The website is about that. I marked all the pages that I want. I want it to be multiple pages, one direction, even though we can do variations, but we don't have time for that. And then we press continue. Yeah, but let's see if we can go to index HTML. Okay. Something happened. This is fun.
See, it's got that toggle for this color.
Yeah.
So that's interesting.
This is fun. So sexy. This is a nice component. I like this. The typography is pretty nice. I'm talking about like the styling and the contrast and the grouping.
Let's change the background color so we can see it better.
Actually, here, let's just do comment and say, I don't want to say black because it's not black.
Yeah, you want it to infer our design system. Again, as a developer, I would use Claude Code and my design system skill. It'd be nice if you can output this design system as a skill. That would be nice. I don't know whether you can.
Yeah,
I like that for.
I'm not saying this is, perfect design, but I'm saying this is pretty good. I mean, why do I sound surprised? This is Opus 4.7. It has we gave it a Figma file, so it has all of these available tools. The entire home section layout is kind of a mess. I see this as just a bunch of components, so I have to shuffle that around. And this is where it is helpful to know a few things about front-end design and in general, how a landing page should be.
I still think you're jumping the gun. I really think you're jumping the gun. I don't think the point
you think this is not for
it's not for like the intention is that someone's going to go in here and say change the background to black. Can you move this up there? And again, it's just like, and then you will as a designer, you will be handed this, and then you can then fix things as they should be done. But someone's given you a head start, with what's in their brain. They'll change the text. They'll just do things. They're just hoping. They're just trying to get their idea out.
We should sell these.
Yeah, we should. Let us know if you want merch. I'm proud of this aesthetic. I think it would look sick on hats, on t-shirts. Let us know if you want merch, because we'll sort that out. That'll be fun.
This is pretty cool. And all of this just from this essentially, right?
Well, and hours of us trying to figure out a design,
Yeah. Yes, obviously. All right, so this is all we got. As you see, this is not complete. I would not feel comfortable setting this live, obviously, and as you mentioned, this is not the point, but this is where I can start playing with design and maybe ship it to a developer to finish it off, or like play with different versions, or as you saw, play with the tweaks. So this is what it's about, or at least this is what they are trying to sell it as a tool, as you see, for prototyping. So maybe it is not coming for Lovable just yet.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.